Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick eyeliner tutorial. You guys had requested this video a while ago, so here it is. I'm sorry that I didn't upload a video on Monday, which is usually the day that I upload a video. But honestly, my allergies just have been on my ass and I get so nasally and I get really gross when I get allergies. So I wasn't in the mood for filming, but today I wanted to show you how I achieve my eyeliner. It's really simple and I hope it makes sense with everything that I explained, and I hope it helps some of you. So that is everything. Let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you how to achieve this really nice winged eyeliner using gel eyeliner as well as liquid eyeliner. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my NYC liquid eyeliner. This is the most long wearing eyeliner that I've ever come across. It's super black and it dries to a matte finish, which is what I like. Plus I really like the wand because I just feel like it's really nice to get in to every little piece of your eye. So I'm going to go ahead and take that brush, and I like to swipe a little bit off just on one side of the brush and then leave the other brush a little bit more with products. And I always like to start in my inner corner and then just wing it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it how I normally do it, and I'm not going to talk just so you guys can see how exactly I do it. Now when I get to the outer part, I go back into here and I dip my brush once again. And again, I just clean it off from one side. And I usually like to start my wing right where my eyelashes end, right here. I'll go underneath that and I'll drag it out. Now your wing eyeliner really depends on you, how thick you want it. I like mine pretty thick, especially because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow today. And it's up to you whether you want to drag it up or if you want to drag it like this. And I like to do little strokes just so I don't mess up. And then you can stop wherever you want. What I like to do is I kind of like to close my eye a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. And then I like to look down, and with my brush I'm going to start the end of the wing, but I'm going to leave just a little bit of space so we can leave that little tail. I'm going to grab my wing from about right here and I'm just going to drag it down. Just like that, and then I'm going to go in fill it in and just clean it up where you see like little mistakes. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara and my false eyelashes, and then we will go back and just fix any mistakes or anything that the eyelash may have like messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that and then we will be right back. Okay, so now I have my eyelashes on. What I like to do is just to ensure that everything looks nice and smooth and it just looks good together with the eyelashes. I like to go in with a gel eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Studio Black Gel Eyeliner. And I like to take a flat brush like this. This is a really thin flat brush. This is what I use to carve out my eyebrows, and it's excellent for eyeliner as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull my eye a little bit like this. And I like to take it this way and I'm gonna start from here and drag it down. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up any mess. So this is what your winged liner should look like. Super dramatic, right? So that is everything for today's mini tutorial. I hope this helps some of you achieve a better wing. Honestly, mine aren't always the same. Sometimes this one's longer, sometimes this one's shorter. Sometimes they're just whoop, whoop. So do not worry, just keep practicing, and I hope the tips that I gave you guys helped you just a little bit. If they did, then don't forget to give me thumbs up, and that is everything. I have a mosquito bite in my ear. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will probably be back tomorrow with a new makeup tutorial. So I'll see you guys then. Bye!